Have you ever made a film?
Guess what? We have. We learned the art of filmmaking. We worked as a team on lighting, sound and the script.
Who knew we would end up being filmmakers?
What makes Christel House special?
We have amazing music facilities.
We eat nutritious food. We see the world through different perspectives. We have space to play. We learn by doing. We have great medical facilities.
We are building a more sustainable environment.
We are confident in using technology.
We have a library.
We have a library that grows our imagination.
We are excited to become aerospace engineer, teacher, doctor, neurosurgeon, data scientist,
IAS officer.
Bank manager.
Mathematician.
fashion designer. We are Christel House.